How to fix Wi-Fi calling not working. So if the Wi-Fi calling feature is not working on your device, normally you can know it is working whenever you go here and you can see this Wi-Fi icon next to it. It means in my case I have turned on Wi-Fi calling. Now if in your case it's not working, some of the reasons could be your network connection. Maybe you're not using Wi-Fi in this case. So try using Wi-Fi. Try to toggle on and toggle off airplane mode and check if Wi-Fi calling is enabled within your settings. So you can go to your search bar and just type in Wi-Fi calling, and here you can see Wi-Fi calling feature. Make sure it is enabled, and you can see your Wi-Fi calling preferences. It might have been set to mobile network, so you can suggest a Wi-Fi preferred, and your carrier must also support Wi-Fi calling. If your carrier does not support Wi-Fi calling, then in that case it might not work for you. So hopefully some of these may have helped you solve the problem. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching, and do subscribe for more tips and tutorials such as these.